Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Temple Heights Elementary School, AKA the Leadership Academy, in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, and just got done sharing my heart for a first time this school year, right in the NPR with the students and staff of the AM/PM program, the after school program. And what's so amazing, every time I come, a lot of the students remember me, some of the teachers as well, and knowing that they're all ears, all heart, and really want to learn and keep growing over all the different topics that we've shared the last few years. It's always, touches my heart. And today's focus was a brand new topic on citizenship, right? You see the two hands reaching out for each other. This is one of the slides from the assembly today. And it's all about helping others, right? It's also about helping our earth, being a great citizen for this planet, the environment, but even at a more human level, it's, really taking into account other people's feelings and hopefully choosing to build them up instead of tear them down. Being respectful, being kind. We kind of brainstormed what it means to be a good citizen, right? We had some great answers, following the rules, but one of the biggest things is just giving our time to somebody else, right? Because what's crazy is, the time is the most precious gift out there. We can never get it back. Even the time that I'm recording this video here and you watching the video, it's minutes of our life, seconds of our life that, will never return. So we never want to waste our time, of course, right? And we obviously know that when it comes to giving our time to someone else, which is always a choice to give your energy to someone, right? We can always do that. A lot of times we say, well, I don't have time. Well, if it's important enough or that person's important enough to you, then you're always going to make time. And the sub-theme for today's focus was at home, school, and in the community, right? So it's not just being a good citizen within the walls here at school, but it's where we reside, where we live. It's the city that we're a part of, if we choose to volunteer, service projects, and even if we go outside of our community, right? When we travel, we still have always a chance and looking for ways to make an impact, a lasting impact on the heart of someone else. And knowing that only takes a few seconds, that's what I really tried to hammer home today with the students here. And also this concept of, not just being a 50% friend, but being a 100% friend. That I'm not just friends with you when it's convenient for me. And some of the students came up to me after and told me about some of their friends that unfortunately, when someone else is around, another friend, it's almost like that person doesn't exist, like they don't matter, right? And it breaks my heart to hear that, but when we're thinking about true friends, we want someone that's going to be 100% no matter what, and have the courage to say, okay, maybe someone's not as popular, maybe, I don't want that person to be fitting with me, but if we think about that other person for a second and their feelings, right, then hopefully we don't want to hurt them, right? We want to do something to include everyone. And I think that's really one of the key points that I really wanted to emphasize in today's presentation is that, it's one thing to be passionate about something, like wanting to make a difference and using our gifts and our passions to go help others, but then we actually have to go do it, right? We can talk the talk and walk the walk, but until we really live it, then it's really not going to mean anything. And that always means that we see ourselves and others for this too, a concept I bring up in every assembly. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M, right? And I traced one of mine here, and this M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept and believe it truly in our heart of hearts, then we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And start to really heal this planet, but also make this difference that is truly going to last, right? And that's what citizenship is all about, each and every day. So I'll be back 2 more times this school year, and until I return, I would love to hear some great reports on how you're all being amazing citizens, and I know you're all capable of being them as well. As always, though, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.